The Weitz Company was founded in 1855. We're 163 years old this year. We're actually celebrating our 40th anniversary in Arizona. We specialize in all sorts of markets, focusing on commercial and industrial. We pride ourselves on senior living, retail, office, multifamily, you name it, we do it. We focus ourselves on aligning with clients that have the same values as us and really want to forge a long-term relationship. I sought out the Weitz Company. It was because of the people and the culture that I went there, and now I have the opportunity to get to lead such a great group of people. When I first started with the Weitz Company, I was brought on as a senior project manager, and 2 weeks into my time at Weitz, they had asked me if I would be interested in going to a project out of state. What started out as 3 months turned into a year. On a pretty tough project, but we brought it across the finish line. And when I came back, the whole entire company was going through a leadership change. Our CEO was retiring, and they asked me if I was interested in taking over as the role, and here I am today. I'm really there to support the people that I work for and that work for me. Some of the projects that I'm most proud of to work on here in the Phoenix Business Unit is the Sagewood Senior Living Facility up in North Phoenix. Another one I'm really excited about is the SkyTrain out at the Phoenix Sky Harbor. It's taking the SkyTrain from the terminals and going out to the rental car facility. I got into the industry in 8th grade. I had a assignment in geometry class, and it was about designing your house spatially, all the geometry and metrics of the house that you lived in. And I got a really good grade on that, and by the time I was a senior, I knew civil engineering was the route I wanted to go. When they asked me if I was interested in the role, I was shocked. I called my husband on the way home and I said, they've asked me for this opportunity, and I know I want to back down from a challenge, and I said, yeah, I'm all in. Being the first female general manager in the history of the company, 163 years, is quite the accomplishment. I always charge women in construction to just be who they are, and being competent at what you do on a day-to-day basis will let you rise to wherever you want to go. In my spare time, I have recently taken up running, so I have a goal to run 45 half marathons before I turn 45. So I have a couple of running buddies that we meet up, and we travel around and run some half marathons. We're already up to number 13, 14's in a few weeks. I am involved in some other construction industry events on the Arizona Builders Alliance. I help teach some of their project management courses through the LDF Leadership Development Forum. I'm a judge that helps some of the students perform on some of their public speaking skills. When I was informed that I got the Emerging Executive of the Year award with the CFMA, I was very humbled, very surprised, and it's definitely an honor. So I thank the CFMA.